Have you been looking for a property priced under $300,000 in a good neighborhood of Brantford and offers enough space for you and your family? Or maybe you've been waiting for the perfect property to come along to add to your investment portfolio. If that's the case, come on in. Some notable features about this great property are it offers 3 spacious bedrooms all on the same floor. The main level offers a large living room, separate dining room, as well as an eat-in kitchen. The lower level is completely finished as well, with access to your private backyard patio, as well as your attached single-car garage. Properties that offer this much in this price range definitely don't last long. Be sure to give Ryan a ring.